Here's the problem number 1. The rectangular garden of Renz has an area of 8x squared plus 14x minus 15 square meters. If the length measures 2x plus 5 meters, find the width. So, kung makikita nyo, given na sa problem kung ano yung hinahanap, which is width. Ang area ay may formula na length times width. Para mahanap yung width, gagamit tayo ng triangle method. Dito yung area, tapos dito yung length, tapos dito yung width. Bali, ang magiging formula niya is width is equal to area over length. Kasi width is equal to area over length. Kung makikita nyo. Here's the given. So, area is equal to areas of 8x squared plus 14x minus 15. And the other one is length is equal to, nakasulat ito, 2x plus 5. And take note guys, don't forget to write the unit, which is meter squared and meter. At ang hinahanap natin is width. Ang ating formula is equal to area over length. At dahil may formula na tayo, which is width is equal to area divided by length, kopyahin lang natin dito, 8x squared plus 14x minus 15 over 2x plus 5. So guys, mas maganda kasi dito na ang i-applied is long division kaysa sa synthetic division. Dito man sa long division, hahanap kayo ng pwedeng i-times sa 2 na ang magiging sagot niya is 8x squared. Ang pwede dyan is 4 kasi 4 times 2, 4 times 2x, 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times 5 is equal to 20x. Take note guys, kapag positive siya dito, magiging siya ditong negative. Yan. Automatic cancel na to. 14 minus 20 is negative 6x. Bring down 15x. 6x divided by 2 is negative 3. Yan. 3 times 2x is negative 6x and negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Sabi ko nga, kapag dito is negative, meaning dito magiging siyang positive. And then, cancel. Ayos na. Meaning, ang ating width is equal to 4x minus 3 meters. Paano nga ba siya naging meters lang? Ganito kasi yan guys, kapag magdi-divide ka niyan, kakancel mo itong meter, tapos makakancel din yung squared. Ang matitira na lang dyan is yung meter, kaya ang ating unit dito is meter. At para nga malaman natin kung tama ba yung ating answer is, kailangan natin itong check. 4x minus 3, which is yung value ng width, tatimes siya sa natin sa 2x plus 5, which is the value of our length. Para masolve natin yan, gagamit tayo ng FOIL method. 4x times 2x, 8x squared. 4x times 5x, positive 20x. Negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. And negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So, combine the like terms. 8x squared plus 20x minus 6x, positive 14x and negative 15. As you can see guys, pareha siya. Para naman ito makuha itong m squared, gawa nito, m meter times meter is equal to meter squared. Kaya meter squared yung kanyang unit. Yun. Tama siya kasi yung given na ito, pag pinag-times yung dalawa, ito yung nalabas, which is the area.